Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about rate measure, the exercise 10E. One of the students requested, so that is the reason I am making this video for the students' convenience. Whoever it is, the students which are belongs to TS and AP, you can utilize. Let us have a discussion. The rate measure, it is belongs to mathematics 1B. So at time t, the distance s of a particle moving in a straight line is given by s equal to minus 4t square plus 2t. Find the average velocity between t equal to 2 seconds and t equal to 8 seconds. So the velocity, average velocity, first velocity we can calculate, average velocity we will calculate now, later. So what is velocity? S is distance here. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So the rate of change of displacement is what? ds by dt. So first given information, s equal to, given s is equal to minus 4t square plus 2t. Differentiate with respect to t. So ds by dt is equal to minus 4 into d by dt of t square is 2t plus 2 constant d by dt of t is 1. So which is equal to minus 8t plus 2. ds by dt, the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So therefore v equal to ds by dt is equal to minus 8t plus 2. This is the velocity. Velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds. So v at t is equal to 2 seconds. So that is equal to minus 8 into 2 plus 2. So minus 16 plus 2, that is equal to minus 14. Next, velocity at t is equal to 8 seconds. Minus 8 into 8 plus 2. Minus 64 plus 2. Minus 62. So velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds, we got it. Velocity at t is equal to 8 seconds also, we got it. Here what they are asking is the average velocity between t equal to 2 seconds and t equal to 8 seconds. The average velocity between t is equal to 2 seconds and t is equal to 8 seconds is, so v at t is equal to 2 plus v at t is equal to 8 by 2. So minus 14 minus 62 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 76 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 38 unit per second. Therefore, the average velocity in between t equal to 2 seconds and 8 seconds is minus 38 unit per second. I hope you understand, students. Observe the difference between the first question and second question. The first question is, S is given, they are asking to find average velocity. Here displacement is provided. But here the question is y in terms of x is there. The average rate change of y between x equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So the y in terms of x means f of x equal to x power 4. Whenever the question is asking in this way, if here formula I am giving the students, if y equal to f of x, be any function, any relation in terms of x and y, then average rate of change of y between x is equal to a and x is equal to b is defined as f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. This is the formula you can apply, dear students. If y equal to f of x, then average rate of change of y between x equal to a and x is equal to b is f of b minus f of a by b minus a, which we discussed in the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Also, this concept, I hope you revise. You go to the playlist. I already kept in this. Even maximum minimum also I kept 2 videos according to your convenience. Now come to this question. So y equal to f of x equal to x power 4 and x is equal to 2, that means a value 2, and x is equal to 4. Find out f of b, f of a. So f of 2 equal to 2 power 4, that is equal to 16. F of 4, that is equal to 4 power 4, that is equal to how much? 4 power 4, 4 square, 16, 16 to 56. After that, the average rate of change of y between x equal to 2 and x equal to 4 is f of 4 minus f of 2 by 4 minus 2, which is equal to f of 4 value we got it there, 256 minus f of 2 value 16 by 4 minus 2. 256 minus 16 is 240 by 2, which is equal to 120. Therefore, the average rate of change y between x equal to 2 and x is equal to 4 is 120. When the question is asking in this way, you can proceed this way. When the question is asking in terms of s is equal to t and they are asking to find velocity average, you can go like this way, students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question. Third question. A particle is moving along a straight line has the relation s equal to t cube plus 2t plus 3 connecting the distance s described by the particle in time t. Find the velocity and acceleration of the particle at t equal to 4. So here two important things. For finding velocity 2 marks, for finding acceleration 2 marks. So first, given relation s equal to, so given relation, that relation we know that here s and t, distance and time, s is equal to t cube plus 2t plus 3. Displacement is given, so they are asking to find velocity and acceleration. If you differentiate with respect to t first time, you will get the rate of change of displacement, it is called velocity. Once again, if you differentiate, you will get the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. So differentiate with respect to t. So ds by dt is equal to d by dt of t cube 3t square plus d by dt of 2t is 2. So ds by dt is called velocity of the particle. Again differentiate with respect to t. So v derivative with respect to t is dv by dt. 3t square derivative is 6t plus 3 into t square derivative 2t. So 3 into 2t is 60. Constant derivative 0. So therefore dv by dt is called acceleration. So a equal to 60. So this is velocity. So first question, velocity at t is equal to. So velocity of the particle when t is equal to 4 seconds. So ds by dt, that is equal to v at t is equal to 4. So in place of t substitute 4. 3 into 4 square plus 2. So 3 into 16 plus 2. So 48 plus 2, 50. So that is the velocity. Next, acceleration. Acceleration of a particle when t equal to 4. So that is dv by dt. When t is equal to 4, that is acceleration. 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. Here unit per second square. Here unit per second velocity. I hope you understand it, students. That is the only they asked velocity and acceleration. We'll move on to the next question. The next question number 4. This is question number 4, dear students. Previously it is 3. The distance time formula for the motion of a particle along a straight line is s equal to t cube minus 90 square plus 24t minus 18. Find when and where the velocity is 0. So here given relation s equal to t cube minus 90 square plus 24t minus 18. S means it is a displacement of the particle. Find when and where the velocity is 0. So first velocity calculate. So differentiate with respect to t. So ds by dt equal to t cube derivative 3t square minus 9 into t square derivative is 2t plus 24 into t derivative is 1 and constant derivative 0. So ds by dt is equal to 3 take common t square minus in every term 3 take common. Here 3 into 60 plus 8. This is ds by dt, the velocity. When and where the velocity is 0 means first velocity take 0. Put v equal to 0, that implies that v value is this only, no? So 3 into t square minus 60 plus 8 equal to 0. So that implies 3 we can take this side. T square factorization we need to do. T square minus 2t minus 4t plus 8 equal to 0. So t into t minus 2 minus 4 into t minus 2 equal to 0. So t minus 2 into t minus 4. So t is equal to 2 seconds. T minus 4 equal to 0 means t is equal to 2 and t is equal to 4. Here clearly we got when t is equal to 2 seconds the velocity is 0. When t equal to 4 seconds the velocity is 0. When and where the velocity is 0 they are asking. So at t is equal to 2 seconds the velocity is 0, no? Where means, so this is the distance. At t is equal to 2 seconds the velocity is 0. So from at t is equal to 2 the displacement we need to calculate. When t is equal to 2, s is equal to, so in place of s, in place of t, substitute 2. 2 cube minus 9 into t 2 square plus 24 into 2 minus 18. 2 cube 8. 9 into 4 36 plus 24 into 2 48 minus 18. So here 48 minus 18, first 48 plus 8 56 na, minus 8 4 54 2. So when and where the velocity is 0, they are saying at 2 units distance at the time of 2 seconds the velocity is 0. Similarly, when t is equal to 4 seconds, find out s value displacement. 4 cube minus 9 into 4 square plus 24 into 4 minus 18. We will check that. 4 cube 64 minus 4 square 16 into 9 144. Next 24 4s are 96 minus 18. So 8 4 12 162 minus 162 plus 160. So which is equal to minus 2. Here minus 2 is the distance. How to do means the particle is traveling in negative direction 2 units. When the time is at 4 seconds, the velocity goes to be 0. So when and where the velocity goes to be 0 means at t is equal to 2 seconds at the distance of 2, when t equal to 4 seconds at the distance of minus 2, the velocity goes to be 0. Hence the result. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, question number 5, it is in the first bit. The displacement s of a particle traveling in a straight line in t seconds is given by s equal to 45t plus 11t square minus t cube. Find time when the particle comes to the rest. When the particle comes to the rest, when the velocity goes to be 0, then particle comes to the rest. So that information is important here. First, given relation, s is equal to 45t plus 11t square minus t cube. Differentiate with respect to t. So ds by dt is equal to 45 into t derivative 1 plus 11 into t square derivative 2t minus t cube derivative 3t square. So ds by dt value is called velocity. So that is v is equal to, write in the order, minus 3t square minus 22t minus 45. When and where the velocity goes to be 0. Find time when the particle comes to the rest. Particle comes to the rest. Particle comes to the rest. Then velocity 0. That is v equal to 0. So v value 0. Minus 3t square minus 22t minus 45 equal to 0. So factorization is there any possible? 45 3s are 12, 13, 135. So 22 we want. So 5 table, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s 25. Yes. So minus we can take this side, 3t square. 22 can be written as 27 and 5. So minus 27. So I want to get minus 27t plus 5t. Minus 45 equal to 0. From these two, 3t take common. So t minus 9. From these two, 5 into t minus 9. So t minus 9 into 3t plus 5. So t minus 9 equal to 0 and 3t plus 5 equal to 0. So t equal to minus 5 by 3. It is absolutely wrong. Why? Because time cannot be in negative. We cannot measure. So t is equal to 9. At the time t is equal to 9 seconds, the particle comes to the rest. Find time. Time we found. When the particle comes to the rest, at what distance? So when t is equal to 9 seconds, the particle comes to the rest. I hope you understand it, students. They are asking only find time when the particle comes to the rest. We got the time. Therefore, when, conclusion you can give, when t is equal to 9 seconds, the particle comes to the rest. The particle comes to the rest. Yeah, this is the first bit of 10E exercise. The 5 questions I explained. In next day, immediate day, I will give the different remaining answers. Remaining second bit completely, I think 9 to 12 questions are there. The 12 questions I will make in one video. Any requirement is there, dear students, please write to my comment box minimum 1 week or 10 days before. Then only I will prepare according to your convenience. Whatever you require, whether it is Maths 1A or Maths 1B or Maths 2A or Maths 2B, based on your requirement, minimum 10 days, if you tell that, if you write in my comment box, I will help you. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra. Those who are not subscribed till now, so you can subscribe to our channel